Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new viewer, please consider subscribing to my channel. So today I am here with another product, another brand, and they have some amazing skincare and hair care range products. So I thought of sharing it with you people. So what I have is these three. These three are from the brand known as Organic Netra. Organic Netra is USDA organic certified brand. They have some amazing ranges of product. So I got three of them. One was rosehip oil, another one was jojoba oil, and another one was Moroccan argan oil. So I'll be telling about the benefits of this products very soon, but before that, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me over Instagram and like my Facebook page. Now without further delay, let's get started. So first I'll be talking about jojoba oil. This is the jojoba oil. So here are some benefits of jojoba oil.
Jojoba oil is rich in vitamins and minerals that nourishes hair, including vitamin C, B, vitamin E, copper and zinc. It also strengthens hair and helps in preventing hair loss and promotes hair thickness. Now coming to the skincare, jojoba oil is full of antioxidants and is rich with vitamins and minerals which promotes collagen synthesis. It controls the sebum production, it treats acne and many more.
Okay, so this is the jojoba oil by Organic Netra, which is for 50 ml, and this is 100% certified organic, and it is cruelty free. This is vegan, and this is 100% natural. And this doesn't have any hexane or GMO or parabens, sulfates or phthalates or mineral oil. So this is a pure version of the jojoba oil, and the country of origin is Argentina for this oil, and this is specially meant for beautiful skin and hair. They give in this kind of packaging. You can see this comes in a dark bottle and has a plastic cap with so this comes in a dropper like this kind of one. I have used this oil before also. So the texture of this oil is non-sticky and gets absorbed in your skin very fast. You can see it's already gone. So this is very lightweight kind of oil which can be used every day in your bald spots or even inside your scalp. If you want more nourishment, if your scalp is dry, then this is the one you should go for. Even for very to very dry skin, you can go for this kind of oil for your moisturization. This works really good. So now coming to the second oil, this is argan oil. This is Moroccan argan oil. Country of origin is Morocco, and the amount will be 50 ml again.
This is also an oil which has many benefits like other jojoba oil. It protects from sun damage, it moisturizes skin, it treats number of skin conditions like acne and skin infections, it heals the wounds, it has anti-aging effects, it also helps in hair growth, it makes your hair smooth and shiny, it also promotes healthy cuticles.
This is also meant specially for skin and hair. It doesn't have any kind of mineral oil, sulfate, paraben, GMO, phthalates or hexane. So, and this is also cruelty free and vegan product. So you can just the best use of a Moroccan argan oil is that you just take 2 to 3 drops of that oil and apply it to your hair strands and use it as a leave-in serum, and this will tame down your frizz so well and will make your hair very soft and beautiful and shiny as well. So this is how I use this argan oil. I'll be showing you the uses of these oils very soon, so stay tuned for that. So this was about the argan oil. Even I can show you, this also comes in a dropper shot. I'm just applying a little bit on my skin, and this also makes your skin very soft and shiny. You can see it's already gone. This gets absorbed too fast because these are the purest form of the oils, but somewhat this is much more stickier as compared to jojoba oil. So I will prefer using this oil on my hair instead of my skin. So you can think of it and use it accordingly. So the third and the best one out of all this oil is the rosehip oil. You must be knowing about rosehip oil. It has so many benefits. Let me tell you the benefits of the rosehip oil and see.
Rosehip oil is almost like a gold oil. It has many benefits. It has vitamin A, which helps in reducing and reversing the sun damage. It reduces wrinkles, it reduces hyperpigmentation. It also helps in treating the dark circles. It moisturizes, brightens the skin, boosts collagen production, reduces inflammation, and many more.
Okay, cool. So this is the rosehip oil again by Organic Netra only. So this is also organic, that is 100% certified organic, and it gives you a radiant glow on your skin. This is specially meant for your skin. It can also be used on hair, but I will suggest you to use it on your skin because this works very well on your skin. So the thing is, I use this oil on my skin. It doesn't have any smell or anything, and it exactly smells like a oil. It doesn't have any added fragrance or anything like that. So as these are pure form of oil, so if you were searching for something that has fragrance, this is not the one, because I don't prefer using anything that has fragrance. So this is a good one, let me tell you. If you even use it even 2 to 3 drops on your skin, it will give you a glossy skin, and it looks really well if you are going out on a party night. Instead of using any kind of heavy cosmetics, you just want to just make your natural glow much more glowy, then this is the one for you. Let me tell you, just 1 to 2 drops is enough for skin. If you are a oily skin person, go for a half drop, and if you are a dry skin person, then 1 to 2 drops will be more than enough on your skin. This will make your skin very glowy and brighten your skin as well. So I really liked it. This is also for 50 ml, comes in a dark bottle and has a dropper, this dropper kind of opening for your users. And overall I liked it, so I thought of sharing it with you people because I really liked it. And let me tell you the prices of this bottles also. So the rosehip oil comes for $5.99, and the jojoba and the argan oil comes for $6.99 each. Yes, I know it's more of a pricier side, but if you come to see the amount they are giving and the purest quality they are giving, this is worth it. And yes, if you can go for their if you are going for their website, yes, you may or may not find any kind of discount, but yes, definitely if you go for Amazon, there will be a discount going on this product. So go and check it out, guys. These are really amazing products by Organic Netra. I really liked it, so share it with you people. That's it. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and comment down below which one would you like to buy from this 3 range. I would like to know your opinion as well. And did you like my hairband? Comment down below. That's it. Have a nice day, guys. Stay safe, stay home, and please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I really need your support. I really worked a lot on this videos, making these videos, and it would mean a lot to me if you support me in this journey. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.